ride in the 2018 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, universal garage door opener, leather shift knob. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.